All right, update on my beautiful microwave. I guess 3 times is the charm. The first time I ordered one, it did not work at all. I tried it, many different plugs. I tried everything. It didn't work. It wouldn't heat anything. The second time I ordered it, it was all bashed up on the top and the sides. So I sent that one back, and this is the third one. It does work. It's gonna put like a chicken sausage or something in there just to show you. My easiest one is I just press the 30 seconds. It's actually spinning, which the other one was, but this one's actually heating. Yes, I hear you. That's my little boy. So let me stop it, and it's sizzling, so it is heating. So that is my update. It did take me 3 microwaves to get a decent one, but I am liking it. I really wanted the pink one, but I couldn't get it anywhere. So this one it's not exactly white. It's kind of like a cream color. It is very pretty, just not my pink. Anyway, thanks guys. Bye.